Hi, this is IK. Welcome to video HTML link. There's a React router link. Here is a React router link. It is a React element, React router element. There is properties too, and that properties equal slash, it is domain address, name of link is home, and closed link. Let's go to see what happened when we refresh. Here is a component blog post menu left, finished rendering. Left component blog post menu has finished rendering. Component app.js has finished rendering. Okay, 3 components is here, and first time when loading would be rendering all 3 components, and all 3 components build one web page. This is web page what we look at now here. This is blog post left, blog post menu left, this is here, it is here. And blog post menu, it is right side, right column. We have 2 columns here. Left columns is component menu left, and right columns is component menu. And both that component lay on component app. First, we look at first must be rendering child, and the parents would be rendering last. Post menu left is child, rendering first, and component blog post menu rendering second, and now rendering, finished rendering parents app. Okay. Now I click some link. Of every link here is a title of single post. Here we have blog post, it is single post, component blog post has finished rendering. Okay, and after that we have single post here. Here only rendering single post, not rendering menu left. Now I go back to home, click to home. We can expect that would be rendering only right side, because instead of single post, what is web, coming here must be rendered menu, blog post menu component. Click home, look at component blog post menu has finished rendering. Okay, only that component. Again, here post, single post, back to home, menu, blog post menu. Okay. And now I will change. We can have link, HTML link. It is Anchorage HTML link, and here is href. And now look at now. Here is look at component blog post menu left. It is a new situation on coding, and we have refresh site. Okay, left. Okay, finished rendering component app.js, and the blog post menu left has finished. 3 components has finished. Okay. Component app.js has finished. Okay, now again refresh. Refresh, we have blog post menu left, okay. Blog post menu, okay, and up, it is 3 component, and we see that 3 component. We see menu pages, home pages, and the left side is menu left, and the right side is menu. And now I click on web, on single post, and component blog post has finished rendering, okay, and now is single post. But now I go back to home, and look at now, all 3 components will be rendering. It is like all page refreshes. Resume. HTML link. Refresh. Reload. Complete page. Not separate. Not only component what would be changed on page. Not component menu, but all 3 components. Home, click. Component blog post menu left. Component blog post menu has finished rendering, and component up has finished rendering. All 3 components. Again, what is web? It is single post, only single post would be rendering, but now when I click on home, all 3 components, left, menu, up, okay. And now we see principal reason, main reason why we use link from React Router and not HTML link. Let's go back. Again here, I get back, I undo, now is okay, link, and properties 2 would be rendered only component what changes. Not all component, not page, but only target component what would be rendered instead of existing component or new component. New component what this link provoke call it will be component what coming instead some existing in our situation. Okay. Here is home. Here is what is web. Component blog post has been finished. It is okay. But now home will be rendering only single post. Now is single post. Sorry. Now is single post. Click on home would be rendered only menu component, blog post menu, because that component coming instead of coming on the screen, coming on the page instead of existing single post. And this page, there is a 3 component, menu left, menu, possibility of 4 component. Always there is an up component. Always is there left component. And we have changes between menu component and single component. Now, when I click on home, would be rendered only menu component, only one component, instead of this single. Click home, component blog post menu has finished rendering. Okay, only this one. It is this one. This one component will be rendered. Again, what is web? Only one, blog post. Back to home, only one, blog post menu. And it is a big reason that that we use link React router link and not HTML link. But also we see that in React component we can have dynamic link without React link. We can script dynamic link by HTML link, but we will not do that because HTML link call all pages, refresh all pages. It means in our situation now 3 components. But React router link changes only component what must be changed. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.